What's happening, guys? Looks like we are live now. How's it going? We got the fake pump in Bitcoin. Let me know if you are able to hear my voice clearly. If we are good to go. Let me test. Let me make sure we are good to go. Yes, we are. Okay. How is everyone? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shray and you are watching ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. The bull market has begun under people's nose and they don't know about it. They don't know about it. They're still waiting for I don't know what. Okay? I don't know what. But on our Patreon and on our channel, ShrayTV, we've been calling for the bull market a long time. But there are a few cryptos. There are 22,000, maybe 22,000, 24,000 now cryptos on the market. Do you think everything's going to pump? No. There are few cryptos which are going to pump. Now I think the crypto market has become like stock market. You know, even in a bear market, there are cryptos. For example, weapon stocks were booming, you know, because of the news of the war and what's happening in the environment right now where we are, right? Well, the other tech stocks were down. So just an example. So just like that, there are two cryptos which pumped like a MF, which were given on my Patreon a long time ago. This was given, the Singularity one was given at 4 cents, went 12x. Then what is this? Loom, I think Loom. Loom was given right here on 25th of August. Loom went 12x again from the bottom. The bottom price was also given, right? This went 12x. No, 10x. Yeah, 10x. Loom. So, yeah, the bull market has begun, guys. Okay? I know you're not able to see it. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is, we called for the bottom here for Loom. And look at that. This is going to happen to many cryptos. By the way, what has happened to Loom is going to happen to many cryptos. You have to be in the right crypto. Okay? Well, what happened to Bitcoin here? Because of the fake news coming from Cointelegraph, this thing pumped. Look at the wick. But we've been calling for this a long time ago. Again, if you watch this video right here, just a little clip. It's like in 2022, 20%. So right now, I'm expecting at least 20%. So 20% jump to Bitcoin would take us in October. I'm talking about October to $31,000, right? Yeah. So that's where I'm expecting. About 20%, 31,000, I would say 18 to 19% jump for Bitcoin. But ultimate, our target's $35,000. $35,000. No matter what people say, I am bullish. We are bullish on ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. So, will this be the year when Bitcoin goes down? No, I don't think so. We've been calling for Bitcoin, that this was the bottom. By the way, if you don't believe, I have 3 okay, that's enough of this video. Let me see what's up. How's everyone? Nilan, I am poor and I have nothing to pay, but you are always real. That's why I love you, Shray. Oh, it rhymes, man. It rhymes. I'm poor. I have nothing to pay, but you're always real. That's why I love you, Shray. Seems like a poem, man. Nilam Susanti, please give me SDAO analysis. Okay. Blake, thanks, bro. BC Drums, evening, Shray. Zabur Maruf. Welcome, Shray. How are you, Zabur? Hardik Susani, what's up, ShrayTV, baby? Yeah, man. What's going on? Your video is hanging. Check net. Is it hanging still? Or is it good? Let me see. Let me see the broadcast, okay? 1 second. 1 second. If it's not clear, let me know, man. You know, are we good now? Yeah, I think we are good now, right? The internet was glitching, but we are good now. Okay, good. Ned, ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. What is up? Long time no see. I know, man. I want you to buy Bitcoin biryani. Zabur. Smash the like, Ned. Yeah, it's good now. Okay, perfect. Brian, how are you? How's everyone, man? Yep. I've been just, working. I've been very active on my Patreon. By the way, I have opened the Patreon memberships. It was locked for a long time. I've just opened it. I'm going to close it back again. There are two memberships, only 2 memberships available. Okay? So, just wanted to give you a heads up. All right. So, let's see what is happening. What's in the news? Okay, as you heard, this was the fake news that they had about Bitcoin, that the ETF got approved, but then they apologized. Clarification on sharing false spot Bitcoin ETF from Cointelegraph. Big news comes with XRP. XRP, I think it collaborated with, I shouldn't say collaborated. Now it can be used as payment with XRP. Roblox. This is the big news. Roblox integrates XRP as a payment method. This is huge, guys. This is huge. Roblox, an online game platform with over 200 million monthly active users, now accepts XRP as a payment method, according to an October 17th announcement from BitPay on X, formerly Twitter. Okay? This is huge. This is huge for XRP. And huge for crypto. Well, somebody was asking me for XRP chart. So, let me tell you again. We have gone over XRP chart many times, and I've been saying we will have this green dildo like that. See that? Except something like that takes the price of XRP to between, I would say, 158 to 172. Yes, that's the number. 158 to 170 is the price of XRP. I would expect, it to pump, almost come close to the last all-time high, consolidate, but we are coming very close to that. Man, it can pump anytime, okay? So I'm waiting. The pump would be, let's see, off how many percent? I would say 230 to 270% pump. Okay, between 230 to 270% pump for XRP. Right now we're sitting at 49 cents. 49. Okay. Zabur Maruf, $5. Thank you, brother. RSR chart, please. Shray with price targets. Thanks. RSR. I posted about 4 to 5 charts recently on Patreon of cryptos that are that I think soon are going to go between 25x to 45x. There are about 3 or 4 charts, 10x chart, which I think cryptos are going to 10x soon. See this, bro? It's already ready for you. You see this? It's already ready for you. I think it was here last time when somebody asked me, this was in August, and I said that we could, you know, scribble down. You see the scribble and then see the pump. So we could scribble from here, from the pump. The pump from here could be, yeah, this level, man. 400% pump. I wouldn't be surprised if you get this huge pump. If you break this, then next level is this, man. You never know. There are cryptos which do that, right? Say, for example, let's talk about XRP, okay? XRP did that, but you have to understand the cycle, how the cycle goes. It's not gonna be here. Where is XRP? We just talked about XRP a minute ago. Oh, right there. Look, this is XRP's chart. You have to understand how it'll play out. See, last time what happened with XRP? It had this huge, massive pump, right? It got stopped here. Again, big resistance, and then went up right there. Okay, so RSR could do something like that, okay? Reserve right. We're here right now, right? At the bottom. We could pump to this level, consolidate, and then go for the bigger pump to 45 cents. Okay? But that's how I look at it. Right now, if we pump, I would say we could pump 400% to these levels, 0.007, 0.009. This is the bottom. Bottom for RSR. We are down right now. How much? 98.48%. That's a good drawdown, I would say. If we go any lower than this, then it'll go to 0. I think it'll hold this channel. Let me show you. Let's redo this chart again. RSR will hold this channel like that. But what can happen is, man, it can make you wait. It can make you wait. This thing can create another triangle like that. Like that. Okay? Could create something like this. So it could possibly go up. Like that in this level, right? And then come back down. Come back down, jerk you around, and then it starts its run like that. Okay. It would just go skyrocket and make another high, 24 cents, 30 cents. But it is possible that it makes you wait. It goes up to this level and then stops. Okay, comes back down, all the way back down, and then it goes up, you know, somewhere in this region. Okay, just wanted to give you a heads up. It will go up, but it can make you wait while other cryptos are going 10x, 20x, 40x. To be in the right crypto is very important. Okay, so if I were you, I don't know, I would take some profit right here at these levels. Again, guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I am some guy on the internet, okay, who just loves crypto and my crypto bros. I've seen many charts, many charts do this. Many assets do that. It'll come up to here and then come back down, okay? Or it could, as I mentioned and previously, it could come up to this level. It could come up to this level and jerk you around here like that before it goes up. Okay, the destination is the same. Destination's out about 20, I would say 24 cents, between 24 to 35 cents. That's the destination. Between 24 to 35 cents is the destination, but it could take a long time for it to go there. Okay, so I would take some profit and move into something. If you're lucky, this thing might pump quickly before other coins pump. Okay, all right, we will not waste too much time here, but ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. Sean Young. Crypto trading. FIDA coin Batao. Hardik. What's going on with SLP? Bro. Mr. Boers. Hi, ShrayTV. Thanks for your job. Epic for life. Yes, Epic Cash is an awesome crypto. We are going to talk about Epic Cash. Epic Cash is going to do really well. See, this is Epic Cash. This is for my Epic Cash family. We talked about this crypto while ago, right? And I believe it'll stay true to this channel. If you look at the monthly, this is where I'm looking at, right? Look at the monthly, look at the candles. It'll stay true to this channel, and I would think the next jump would be, not could be, it would be to this level right here, between, I would say 10, between 10 to $13. $10 to $13 would be the jump for Epic Cash. It'll be something like this. Look how long we spend time here. The jump will be an aggressive jump. Okay, it will be an aggressive jump. Whenever this jump happens, it's going to be aggressive. It'll go straight up. Okay, so but it's possible it jerks you around like that, always to the end, and then boom, 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 completes everything in just few days, like 30 days. When that happens, I'm not sure. It can go up right now. Okay, is this a good price? I think it's an awesome price right now at 53 cents. It's a bargain. I think it's going between $9 to $14. I would take huge amount of profit at between $9 to $10 if I were in Epic Cash, because I think I expect a huge crash after that. It could come all the way back down. It could draw down. It could be like this, right? Come all the way back down before the next pump. Okay, before the next pump. But I think this is where we would be pumping up to between $9 to $14 for Epic Cash. It's a good price, 53 cents. The only problem with Epic Cash is it's not readily available on many exchanges. Epic Cash is only available on this exchange here. That's a good crypto with a very good 21 million, okay? Only 21 million, just like Bitcoin, Epic Cash. And it's available on VTEX. This is the exchange where it's available, where you can buy Epic Cash. Epic Cash to Epic Crash after the pump. Everything dumps, bro. It's not Epic Cash. It's the way how assets work. It's the market makers who are manipulating, not the retail, not me and you who manipulate this market. It's the market makers, okay? They know the human psychology since long time, and they use it against us. They use it against us. Like AI, everyone knows about AI right now, but these market makers have AI, when to buy and when to sell AI, so they maximize profit depending on your human emotions. They have studied us for more than 100 years. And, computers have came out since 50 years. So they've been studying human emotions with Facebook, all your social media. So they know exactly when you will sell. They know exactly when you'll get bored. They have all the cards. All the exchanges are theirs. So they know when you put a buy order, when you put the sell order. So all the cards are with them. But at some point, they have to pump the market. So if you have a good self-belief system, these are the people who are going to make huge amount of money, okay? Who have a good self-belief system and who knows a little bit of technical analysis. If you know what you're doing, then 2024 will be your retirement year. Yeah, man. Definitely everything retraces. Yeah, man. I think we don't need to speak about SLP. Yes, Hardik. I think we don't need to speak about SLP. I've spoken a lot about SLP. So I will not speak about SLP. And it's our little secret that you have to go on Patreon to look at. Okay? Because I don't want the whole world coming to SLP. Because I have a lot of money in SLP. Okay? And, I don't want you to be my competition. Okay, Robert Richards hates XRP. Bro, I hate it too, okay? When I say hate it too, that means I don't like... But the whole crypto, including Bitcoin, it's all designed to create a cashless society. I think it's reverse psychology. Bitcoin is probably invented in DARPA, right? There's no way, I would say, oh, there's some Satoshi Nakamoto, just one guy creating all this. No, and the whole world takes on this currency. No. I think the US government created Bitcoin and it's applying reverse psychology. Right now, it's telling its citizens, oh, we will not let you buy. Oh, the whole West, okay? We will not let you buy crypto. We will not let you buy. They fucking ban it. Ban it. They can ban it if they want it. They can ban it. They can finish it within a second. Nobody does that. They just talk. It's just reverse psychology so that they can accumulate and then assimilate. Where everywhere, every store will have Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, 5-6 years, cashless society. Because they will be having CBDC, which will be programmable money, which you can control. So there are people who are elites who will have this private crypto, private money, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, that is private money. But again, everything is traceable. Every transaction is traceable with blockchain. So, you'll have more money. They will let the banks go bankrupt this time. Nobody will bail out these banks because they don't need banks anymore. FedNow app is already out. The Federal Reserve have created an app called FedNow. And FedNow, once it gets implemented, you can get directly loans from the Federal Reserve. Why would they need middleman? Like all the banks are the middleman right now. So they will not need the middleman anymore. So they will let those banks go. But what's going to happen before they let them go? They will have, what's happening in Canada. They will say, hey, man, we are going to freeze your account. What happens once they freeze your account? What happens? You panic. Oh, my $100,000. I can't get access to my $100,000. Oh, man, I will become my own bank. That's the whole concept of Bitcoin Cash. You hold your own crypto. You are your own bank from an app, So many people will move to this crypto. The idea is for the government say, hey, we don't like crypto. But they will do everything possible to push people towards crypto. All the world currencies except US dollars are going to the shits. So what's going to happen? If I'm in India, I'm looking at my currency going downhill. Like my Indian rupee, you know, which 100,000 Indian rupee was able to buy a nice home. Now I need 200,000 rupees. My currency is going down, right? So why would I let it? I would either convert into dollar or in crypto or gold, silver, right? So that money is going to come and it'll be easier, man. It'll be easier. By the way, India is the highest amount of crypto investors in India. About 157 million people, individual people, hold crypto. Highest in the world is in India. I think second highest is in the US. Crazy. I know the numbers are crazy, but yeah, that's what I came across. I'm not pulling the stats from my, you know where, but okay, let's look what's happening with the markets. BIB. I'm trying to see this crypto I like. Okay, this crypto I really love. XCN. Keep an eye on XCN. This crypto is available now on KuCoin as well. This crypto will do really well. Okay, XCN. Let's see if we have XCN chart here. XCN gate.io right there. I don't know what's wrong with this fucking trading view. Look at this crypto. Yeah, I never expected that it would go down this low. This low. This was the lowest that I expected. It went even below that. But again, the price is down still 99%. If you look at it from the top. Look. This was the top. It's down right now. 99.96%. Even at this level. Dude. I like it. I like it. And at some point it's gonna go reach this level. That level is what? Still a 30 to 40x. 30 to 40x. Yep. I like it. XCN. Only $11 million market cap, XCN. I thought he was available on KuCoin. Yes, it is. See, on KuCoin. Okay. What's the link? What do you mean? How much is the Patreon? Well, look it up. The link is right here, the Patreon. What I'll be doing is, I'll be in the future, soon, there will be only one lump sum amount to get into Patreon. Right now, there's $100 memberships and there's $298 membership. That's going to go away. People who are in it will be grandfathered. But that soon is going to go away. Where was I? Here. Here's the link for my Patreon. Okay, that's the link to Patreon. Tone. Okay, Blake is my Patreon. You want me to do Tone, T-Food, my 50x coin. You charted it before. Tone. Okay, let's do tone. Bro, I like it. I like it now. Look at this. Perfect, perfect triangle. It can't go any lower than this. If it does, it's going to go even lower than this. See, you don't want to go any lower than this, or else it's going to create a lower low below this level. Okay, so it cannot go lower than this level. This triangle, if it gets out of this triangle, it's going to collapse and it's going to go back down to these levels right there. It's going to go down to these levels. Okay, so it cannot, it has to stay in this level, and I think 99% it'll stay in this level. Okay, but I'm just giving you a worst case scenario. Okay, let's look at the RSI, the weekly RSI, and see how we are doing. Again, this is making a nice triangle too, so I think it's about time. It's about time. It's possible the RSI could do something like this, you know, come back down one more time, and then we get our pump, MF pump. You know what I'm talking about, right? Look at the 3-day. Let's look at the 3-day RSI. Yeah, man, this thing is getting ready. This thing is getting ready. Look at this. Look at this triangle. It has created triangle both ways, in RSI and at the top. I think it's ready, but it might take some time. Might take some time to come to fruition. And it could waste time a little bit here before a time comes for when it'll pump. Dude, expect big numbers. Okay, when it pumps, it's gonna be a sudden pump. It'll be nice and quick. It could pump quickly to 10 cents. You know, 10x pump. Yeah, you could see a 10x pump in T-Food. When? I cannot be precise on the timing, but when that happens, it'll just go straight up. Okay, it'll go straight up. And what are the numbers I'm looking for? Tone would be, I would say, to be conservative. These would be my numbers for tone. Between, I would say, 60 to 40 cents. Those would be my numbers, conservative numbers, where it's ultimately going. Right, so between a 37x to a 50x for this coin. Okay, 30 to 50x. But again, it won't happen right away. It takes time, right? It takes time. It would pump to somewhere around here, and then it'll retrace, hang around before it jumps another to this level. Okay, but up to this level, it should be pretty easy. Whenever it pumps, I think it'll pump to this level right here. This, okay, 0.07 to 11 cents would be the level that I'll be looking for tone. Okay, might small hiccup, small stop, pit stop could be here. 3 cents, a pit stop. Okay, just a small pit stop at 3 cents before it goes to this level. When it starts to pump, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. But it might take a few months, you know, till the triangle gets to its end. It's possible. Okay, it's also possible that it might pump to this level, goes to this level, and then dumps back down to the triangle one more time before it jumps. Okay, could go to 3 cents and come all the way back down. How it reacts, I don't give a fuck about that, right? So my goal, is this range. Till then, I won't touch it. Between 37 to 60 cents would be my number. BCH USD targets. Love you, brother, from another mother. Boom. ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. I think Bitcoin Cash would go to $300, $300 to $310, and then it would crash. I am buying Bitcoin Cash between $150 to $120. I'm going all in. Hopefully, my other cryptos pump before that scenario happens. So I'm able to take profits, hold the money, and then when Bitcoin Cash goes down from $310 to somewhere around $150 to $120, I'll start buying at $140 onwards, because it'll stay there for about 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. It'll stay in this price zone between $150 to $120. So during that time, I'll be accumulating as many Bitcoin Cash as possible. So right now, I'm expecting my other cryptos to pump so that I can take some profits and hold these cryptos, hold the cash for this thing to collapse, okay? Because it will come back down. I think Bitcoin Cash is going to come back down to these levels, and we'll be able to take, nice profits, from other cryptos and put it back in Bitcoin Cash. Once it goes down to 120, I would say 130 level, this is where a new cycle for Bitcoin Cash will start. Kelsey West, pro or shippings? What do you mean pro? What is pro? Epic Cash going to 1K in 2025. God's rare creation. It's possible, brother, but I would not hold it to that level. That is too greedy. Yeah. Stray by Zill. Bro, that stuff, I posted that stuff on Patreon. Okay? I posted that chart on Patreon. The things that I have discussed on Patreon recently, I will not post it on, I will not discuss those things because conflict of interest, man. My people have been supporting me, all this time. They've been loyal to me on my Patreon, right? They've been helping me. So I will keep those, cryptos. That's one of our cryptos that we think is going to pop. Kelsey West, Propy. For example, all the Patreon, there are two cryptos which has already between 12x to 11x that I posted on the Patreon. One is Singularity and another one's Patreon. So all your Patreon memberships, if you have $100,000, you're sitting on $1 million right now. If you had your crypto in one of my listings, say for example, you had your money in Singularity, or if you had your money in Loom, if you have 100,000 in it, we'll be sitting on $1 million. So $100 a month is nothing. $300 a month is nothing. But this money is for people with money. Okay? People who have money, they value. Again, I'm not saying you guys don't value me. Again, you probably don't have the means to do it. But even $10,000, if somebody had $10,000 in Loom, you'd be sitting on $100,000 right now. Because we bought at the bottom. Loom, look. 3 cents was my target right here. We went to 3 cents, all in. Look at the pump, bro. Look at the pump. It's a 11x pump. Okay? And this is the number that's going to go to, right? But yeah, you have to, I realize in life, if something is for free, it's usually, yeah, people don't value if you give everything for free, right? So That's one of the reasons I didn't come live, because I wanted to give more information to my people, on the Patreon. So I was pretty active on Patreon all these days. But yeah, I try to give as much information free as possible. But sometimes, guys, I have to pay bills, right? I'm doing this 24/7 for you, right? But I have to think about myself too, that I have to pay the bills. Until the bull market, I am poor until I cash out, because all my money is in the markets. You guys are going to work, right? Now me, this is what I do full time. So you have to understand. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to find a gem that at least 40x's, 50x's. So this is Zen XEN crypto. I think is going to be between 35 to 40x in a short while. Saitama. It looks like becoming alive. ZRX protocol. I heard about this from, I think, Zilliqa's CEO. Let's see. Blake, I will post a chart of T-Food on our Patreon, okay? Detailed chart. Like the setup, or you want me to go to the other setup where you see the full screen? Because I have the setup because, if I want to make shorts, like these days, shorts get a lot of attention on YouTube. I can create shorts easily from this video. ZRX protocol, man, this is a good project. I have heard a lot about ZRX. Let's just see what the market cap is. Lately, there's a lot of hype about ZRX. $23 million. Such a shame, man. Look at this. This hasn't gone up since what, 2018, bro. You're at the same price. I think it's a very good deal. Very good deal for this particular project. I think it has a good PR behind it, because I keep on hearing about ZRX on Twitter a lot. So there must be something going on with this project, right? Okay, you want something good, right? You want something good? I'll give you something good, okay? For free today on this channel. REP Arger. This crypto here, it has come to my point. You see this scribble? You see this? Where it is right now? That's it, man. It's a dead end. This is it. It's not gonna go any lower than this. I think it's the bottom for this crypto. See, this was my target, and it came down. I have charts on my Patreon. I have charts on my Patreon. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Okay. See this on February 23rd, right? I mentioned about when the price of Arger was around $10 or $11. $10 or $11, right? Here's the chart. Oh, sorry. The price was $10.72. I said it's going to go down, right? I said we're going to go down to these levels. It went lower than the levels that I was expecting. It's sitting at 50 cents, but it's a wick. Okay, this is the level that I was expecting. So we are already there. Look at the level. See here. Here's a better chart. Okay. It pumped, dumped, but look at where I expect this price to go. Okay, $200 to $400. Okay, $200 to $400. Guys, again, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I think Arger is gonna go crazy. REP. Look at this. I called Arger demise when it was right here at $10. Okay, $10.70. I called for the crash that is going to go down to these levels. It has crashed 95%, just like I expected. Look. Right, this is the level. 34 cents to 88 cents. And it's right here. The crash was predicted. Right here when we were $10.73. Okay. So what about now? Okay, this is the number that I'm expecting. Let's be ultra conservative. Ultra conservative. If I'm really conservative, ultra conservative, then still $200, man. There's no other way to look at it. $200. Yes, nobody would think about it, but it won't happen. You know, it would go something like this. It would go back up to these numbers, come back down, and then the journey starts. Okay, that'll be crazy. Right now, I think it's a great bargain. Arger, it's at the bottom. Bro, look at that. Look at that crash. It was $121. $121 to this. Yeah, it's down 99.60% right now. Great buy. Great buy. It will try to reach this level at some point and get rejected. See this? Try to go up to this level. Might go $4, you know, $4 or $5 and come back down, waste some time. So even to $4 or $5, it's a nice pump, man. $4 or $5, yeah, it's a 10x pump to a $5.60. Yeah, but it will get rejected. The first time it'll try to go up, it's not going to succeed. It's going to come back down before we go to these levels. Again, it sounds not possible, but this is what I'm expecting. Okay. many things that you don't expect are going to happen. So I'm going to put, I wouldn't mind putting $10,000-$15,000 in it. Just, maybe $5,000 in it, and just, see if my portfolio is huge. Depending on, what's your portfolio, I would put 5% in it and see, ride it. Again, if it gets delisted from platforms, you can't do, no guru can do anything about it. It'll go to zero. Okay? But risk and reward, brother, goes hand in hand. Risk and reward goes hand in hand. You gotta risk it to get the biscuit. Okay, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. And this biscuit's gonna be good. Look at that. Looks good, right? You'd be like, Shrey, how is it possible? Man, it's not me. It's the chart. It's the chart. That's what it's telling me. Yeah, it's crazy. But that's how I think it's going to go. Just bought 30K in property that is tokenized in Hawaii with Bitcoin Cash. Boom. Diversified my portfolio. Island project. Oh, nice. Kelsey West. Propy. Okay. Propy Shipping or Morpheus Labs is your 40x. Okay. Propy. I like Propy. But Propy has gone up drastically. Propy is Zillow of blockchain. You know that. So Propy went below our level here. It went below our level here. So let's see. We still keep it in our level, or let's see. What to think about Propy, bro? Look at this. Many cryptos are sitting right at these levels. Can you go a little lower than this? Yes, it can, but level up for Propy could be this level here, a 12x pump, 12 to between 10 to 12x pump for Propy. I hope it does not break this arc. If you break this arc, then it cannot go lower than where it is, or else it's gonna collapse, bro. It's gonna collapse. It's gonna go create a lower low, like that, which won't look good. You know what I mean? But I think if it had to go down, it would have gone down, because a big crash in crypto is coming. Big crash, because I see Bitcoin Cash collapsing from $300 to $130 to $120, right? So not only Bitcoin Cash is going to collapse, everything's going to collapse. But for that collapse to happen, they have to pump first. They have to pump first. And if your crypto has not pumped and it's going sideways, then it's going to go to bloody zero. Okay? So, yeah. So many cryptos which are pumping, they're getting ready for the dump. They're getting ready for the dump. So if this crypto, Propy, does not pump right now, until Jan, you have until Jan. If it does not pump like that, then this thing's going to go to bloody zero like that, you know. It's going to go to, 1 cent. Yeah. So I would expect a pump to, between 250, 260 to $3 pump for Propy at least. Okay. Because a big collapse, big crash is coming for altcoins. Because the altcoin dominance, the Bitcoin dominance is going to go to 60. When it goes to 60%, that means the total amount of money. If the money is, say, $2 trillion in crypto, 60% of that money will go towards Bitcoin. 40% of that money will go towards altcoin. So many altcoins are going to, when Bitcoin starts to go up, all the money, it sucks up all the liquidity from the altcoins. Okay. So whatever pump comes in the crypto right now, it'll be a good time to take some profits. If your crypto pumps, okay? If your crypto pumps, it'll be a great time to take some profits. Manav. Bro, I'm not talking about SLP anymore on this channel because I've talked a lot about it, and watch the previous videos. What about ICX and DAO? Okay, I will look at it. ICX, DAO. Kelsey West. What is ICX? Icon. It's an older crypto, right? ICX. Yeah, it didn't go to the level that I was expecting, bro. It has decided to go down. Right. See this, there are many cryptos right now as we speak. There are many cryptos right now as we speak in this range. Let me... This was way back I did this crypto. I had this target, 11 cents target for this crypto. Okay, I would say this is a good range because it didn't go up. It decided to just go sideways, because this is where I looked at this crypto and it started to pump. I was like, it's possible go up, goes up to this level and then crashes down to this, but it just decided to go sideways. So if it's going sideways and without a pump, I'm expecting a dump, so it dumps like that and then starts its pump. Okay, it's possible. I'm not God, man. I mean, look, I was expecting this dump, but we didn't. Many cryptos, many cryptos, like I was expecting a pump, but they didn't pump. They just went sideways. It's so horrible this time. Because usually, even in bear market, they get a bear market rallies. This bloody bear market, we did not get a bear market rally. Every bear market, you get a bear market rally. But this bear market has been brutal. The shit's been just going sideways and down in a very slow pace. So, yeah, it's been horrible. Look at this. This shit's been going down. I think, you know, just to scare you, it's possible it might wick. It might wick down like this just to scare you, then comes back up. Okay, so it's possible that it goes to this level. A wick might go to this level, at 11-cent level, just to scare you, then comes back up in the triangle before it starts pumping. Okay, so there are many projects. Say for example, right now, say for example, what is that game called? God, the game Star Atlas. Okay, this is the chart of Star Atlas, right? It's at the bottom and it'll start pumping. It might come to these levels and then dump back down. So there are many cryptos which are down. Say for example, this went down how many percent? This went down 99%, right? And you bought here and you think that you're gonna get an all-time high. Then this crypto comes down at this level and then starts to go back down. Man, imagine you wasted. You bought somewhere here. You could have got out, right? You could have got out with a nice hefty profit of 25x. But could have been just greedy and, you know, didn't take any profits. Like nobody knows, man, right? Nobody knows. There are cryptos which have gone up. If you look at the same scenario, if you look at Cardano, let me compare Cardano. Cardano is in the same scenario, right? Went down 98%, but had a nice recovery. Cardano went down 98.49%. A very good recovery. Had you know, created a new all-time high. But look at this crypto icon. It didn't create a new all-time high. So if you're stuck in some of crypto like that, if you bought somewhere here, this crypto you bought somewhere here, and you're like, man, I will never sell, you know, then you could be, yeah, I will never sell for a loss. You would have to wait all this time, man. That is 3 years wait. 3 years wait. That's not looking good. Not making any money for 3 years. Not looking good. So you got to be in cryptos which are like Cardano. You know, I think I have found those cryptos and they are on my Patreon. I am in only those cryptos that I think are going to create a new all-time high. If I have even little doubt, you know, that they're not going to create all-time highs, then I'm going to get out in this pump that we are going to get. We are going to get this pump. Those cryptos are going to pump too. Like there are many cryptos which are going to pump, but I'm going to get out of those cryptos when they pump to this level that I feel are like icon. I'm going to get out right here. Yeah, there are cryptos that I have in my mind that are going to pump to these levels, you know, where I'm gonna get out. I'm like, done, finito, I'm out, adios amigos. Still 25x, man. For me, for my retirement, 25x is good money. You know, no assets in the world would give you 25x except crypto. Nothing. No real estate, no gold, no silver. Stocks probably, but you know, it's just like crypto, bro. 590 BCH left. Bought 30K in property in Hawaii 2 days ago. I'm going for the stars, baby. Happy for you, Brian. SDAO was the name. Okay, guys. I think I've done enough for today. What time? Yeah, it's been exactly an hour. Right. I think it's enough. I'll try to come live again. I'll try to go live as much as possible. But again, if the market gets really boring, then I don't think that's going to happen. Many cryptos are going to start pumping. Many cryptos are going to start pumping. We are in a bull market. I repeat, no war, no geopolitical event is going to stop this. We are in a bull market and things gonna go. I will see you later. ShrayTV, baby.